My video guide today will give you instructions to get rid of the online scam coming from the website defendersurveys.com. defendersurveys.com. These are online scary alerts that are attacking the majority of popular browsers today, and the purpose of this website is to scare you into actually downloading and installing certain software. The point is that there is nothing wrong with promoting some software as long as it is decent, but speaking about these defendersurveys.com alerts, they are the example of the typical online scam that tries to force you, to trick you into subscribing to some protection plan. Also, this website tries to make you subscribe to its push notifications. It tells you to click on the allow button, which you should not do. So you need to disregard all these scary alerts by defendersurveys.com. We recommend you to carefully research your browser. You may go to the menu, click on Settings, then scroll down to the special area called Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, then in Permissions select Notifications and carefully research the list of the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious website, defendersurveys.com, remove it from this list to stop its ads. Finally, I also recommend you to check your Windows computer with the help of the program named Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and it will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. So after the software is downloaded, start scanning your computer. Combo Cleaner will protect your files from further malware intrusion attempts. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.